How to enable and customize ChatGPT voice and app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you enable or customize the ChatGPT voice and app. So let's get started. First, as you have to open ChatGPT on your device. After you open ChatGPT app, you will get this kind of interface. From here, make sure that you are logged in with any kind of account like Google, Apple or your mail account. After you log in with any account on ChatGPT, tap on the three dot at the bottom. After you come on the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option main language. From here, you can customize your language for ChatGPT, as you can also go the option auto detect. After you do this, on the section voice mode, you can choose the different voice style for ChatGPT. Simply tap on voice, and from here you can simply choose any voice style you want to add on your ChatGPT. So you have to just keep choosing that.
Hey, it's great to
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you.
Like after you choose any voice style, tap on the done at the bottom. After you choose these settings from here, you can manually access the voice mode from ChatGPT at the bottom right. After you tap on that, you will be able to use the voice mode on your ChatGPT. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.